Wrap outwards and pull. So it's a wrapping badminton tape. Okay, can be half. So it must be so-called 均匀, meaning equal. Some people wrap big, small, uneven. Must be even.
How do you determine the spacing?
Okay, if you pull, this spacing is okay. But some people with very big arm, very big palm, then they wrap with smaller spacing.
Half of it.
Yeah, usually I do half.
Half. Okay.
So usually cyclists who plays racket sports will be very good in this because this is the same technique as you wrap your own racket. So you pull. If you don't pull, what happens is here you will see the overlap already. You see, if you don't pull, you see, you'll be like this. Yeah, so you must pull. Pull so that the gap is different. It's missing. But you buy those lousier bar tape, what happens is when you pull, the thing will snap. So cannot buy too lousy one. So make sure there's no gap, especially at this turning point. This turning point, if you never pull properly, there'll be a gap.
So every turn need to pull.
Need to pull. So a lot of people, the flaw here is that at this part they never pull properly. So even if they wrap right, here got a hole. But once you wrap the top, you cannot undo already. This knot here need to go into this hole. So when you do the tape right, the tape cannot cover this hole. If the tape cover this hole, then this thing cannot go in already. So it becomes very chunky. So this is where you can rough. So based on the tape here, right, like this. See? Like this. Okay? Okay, yours here. I measure this thing, do not exceed the hole. His I overlap, some is overlap. Yeah, so don't overlap like this. Go over. And this side, you see, to here. So I measure it. This length. Like this. So this side need to do the same. So I cut first. So I measure this one. First it will be the same. This thing put here first. Okay, Fisher, let me hold this. Okay, so now, now you start.
Yeah.
So same thing, I wrap it. Pull. Okay, Jeffrey, you can come in and see. Jeffrey, you can see there. Yeah. Yeah, I turn. Pull, make sure there's no hole. Pull tight. One more round, not enough. Okay, turn more. Turn more. Okay, now this part go upwards now. Figure of 8. Figure of 8 upwards. Okay. And then go under this thing. See, go under this thing.
Up and under.
Yeah, I under. Wrap around. Yeah. From the top now. From top now, See, from here, pull tight.
Feels easy lah, but I do
Yeah, so later,
I sweat already.
y'all will try the other side. But I will correct y'all. See, you turn. Must pull. Make sure there's no lobang, Pull. Okay, so at this part here, continue, wait. At this part here, I need to cut. Okay, let's say I want it to terminate here. I can keep for souvenir. Okay, I need someone to pass me the me to open. Wow, you brought such a big one.
This is the only one I have.
Okay, come.
Where you buy this from?
Use insulation tape. Best can use 3M. Tape it.
Oh. I thought the
That's okay. Then after that, okay. Next thing, put down this brake hood. Okay. Then after that will be this part here. For this part here, here. Okay, open this, the bar and plug, screw it. Okay, now you need to tuck this excess bar and tape inside and the bar. Tuck it in, put this in. Okay, screw it tight so that inside will expand up.
Then we stop it.
Yes. That's it. Help me to like my Facebook, follow my Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.